In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make a workbench in Grounded 2. So the first thing we need to do is on our keyboard, we need to click on B as you can see, and here is the workbench. So to be able to create it, we need to have 3 of this grass plank right here, 4 sprigs and 2 sap. So let's start with the grass plank right here, and it's pretty easy to get it. We need to just chop down some trees here, so we need to run into a tree and just chop it down completely here. So let's see. Yep, here is some grass plank. Let's just collect some of it. So I think it's 4 now, and let's see how many we need. We need 3 actually, and then we need 4 sprigs. So sprigs are also quite easy to find. We need to just run around a little bit. And here I believe is 1. So here is 1 sprig here. Let's run around some more to try to find... there was no... Oh, here is another one. Another sprig here. And do not attack. Don't attack ladybugs, by the way. They are quite annoying to fight. They are very like overpowered almost. So here is the 4th one, and perfect. Now we can just go back to where we were. So let's see. I'm going to click on the B button here. So we need 2 saps, right? Yeah. So saps, they can be found by actually looking for trees and stuff like that. They quite often have them on trees here. And here's another one. Let's see if I can get it. Yep, here's 2. So yeah, the saps might be the hardest one to find sometimes because it's not everywhere. I was kind of lucky here. But here's another one as an example. So you can just run around and try to find one, but they're quite often going to be on trees and stuff like that. And yeah, and here is another one as you can see. And now to be able to create a workbench, I'm just going to go back to the main place that I were before, by the way. Just going to run back here, I believe it was. Yep. So let's just go back to here. It's going to be easier for me to create it right here. So now back at this place right here, I can just click on the B button and then click on Workbench. And then we can just place it right here. And yeah, now what I can do is to run to it, I think. I have to construct it here. So yep, let's just construct this one. And yeah, as you can see, this is exactly how to do this.